3 ways you can make money while streaming and it's not connected to Twitch subs or bits. The Amazon affiliate program is completely free to sign up, and you can share your links to your chat, your followers, or whomever within reason. And anytime they click the link within 24 hours, if they buy that product or anything else, you get a cut. Uncanny.gg will allow your chat to pay for instant replays to show up on stream. So if you did something really funny or cool, your chat can donate to see the live replay.
Yay!
And last but not least, Throne. Full disclosure, I myself have not set this up, but I've seen a lot of streamers take advantage of it. This is basically a wish list where you can tell your viewers and your community the types of things that you want to buy for your studio, your gaming computer, whatever, and they can pool their money together so you can purchase that item on your Throne list.